Hey guys, this is Sebastiaan from the Netherlands, and I want to do a quick review of the Pyroprinter machine. First of all, when you buy the printer, it comes in a box, a big wooden box, which unfolds into the platform which the machine stands on. It's pretty amazing. Now, to set this all up, all you need is a screwdriver, and you have it up and running in about 15 to 20 minutes. And when you buy the machine, they include a guide through how to install it, and it comes with some software as well, which is easy to use, pretty straightforward. You can adjust the speed and the temperature of the machine, but I wouldn't mess around with all those settings too much. Just keep it simple. Now, after you have the machine up and running, you want to try some things out. Now, they give you some small pieces of wood with it, so you can do some tryouts. And after that, it's just experimenting with different sorts of woods or other materials that you want to burn on, and just see what happens. If there are any questions that you have during the printing process, something you can't figure out, or you want to order some spare parts like I did after a year of working with the machine, then customer service is really cool as well. They just answer the email within less than 24 hours. They're very helpful. They can help you out via Skype, for example, or phone or email if you have any technical questions with the machine or the printing process. And as far as what the machine can do, well, it's amazing. Most people, actually all the people, are really amazed about the detail of the work that I can make with this machine. So I've made all sorts of things, from sketches to photographs to artworks to signage, just simple signage like this, for example. And it all comes out really well. It depends on the sort of wood you're using, that as well. So it's just fun to play around with, and it has a lot of possibilities. You can go in a lot of different directions with this machine. It's really cool as a hobby. If you want to set up your own small home business, it doesn't break the bank, so to speak. It's not that expensive to buy either. And it's just tons of fun to experiment and play with. So yeah, awesome machine, guys. You did a good job. And if you're in doubt, really buy it. It's fun.